Welcome back, everybody. We've got a new project coming. It's about to get delivered. It's a little different than what we've done before, but it should be a fun project, especially if you're into off-roading and stuff. So let's wait until it comes and then we'll show you what it is. Oh, here she is. She just got delivered. I'm gonna take it off the trailer, park it, and then walk you through everything, where the damage is and everything. The damage mostly in the front, but yeah, let's get her off the trailer. She runs. Seems like we got some coolant leaking. Not surprised. Surprised she even runs. Давай, you're good, давай. Here it is. We just got it inside the garage. So it seems like I'll need a new bumper. This I might be able to save. Most likely gonna be pulling it out. The radiator seems to be damaged. It's leaking at the bottom, so we'll be getting a new radiator. This thing is cracked, but it might be fine. The fan is okay. It's not touching the belt. All the belts are fine. As you saw, we were driving it in, so it runs. So there's no problem there. It's got a headlight here, so probably gonna be getting the same one just to keep it more consistent. So also, when I was looking under, I saw that this axle boot is cracked, fully open, so I most likely will be replacing the axles as well. Seems like it's got new coils, key and intake upgrade. Also, it's got an exhaust upgrade. So I don't think it has any cats. What else? Also, I was looking, it's got new engine mounts. So there seems to be some work done to it. Also, obviously, as you can see, I think it has the front lockers. I believe this is what that is. We'll have to test it once we get it up and running and everything. And then yeah, it's got the Bilstings suspension lift kit, and then obviously the wheels and rims. And yes, it's manual. It's got 200k miles on it. So first things first is probably we're gonna be taking the bumper out, seeing what's behind it, trying to pull this out, getting new radiator, and so on. Here's their interior. It's not too bad, but seems like whoever had this car was smoking in here. There's some dirty stuff, pretty dirty, but yeah, it's manual. And it's got 206k miles on it. We're having a detail come today to detail this and clean everything. So, this is pretty dirty, as you can see. especially like right here and this and all of it. Anyways, we're gonna have detail and then we'll show you before and after, see how it looks. So the vehicle is washed now. The guy just finished detailing it. It's looking really nice. So let me show you. Start getting some stuff taken off. So I'm gonna start with the hood, take the hood out so it's easier, have easier access. I'm still gonna have to replace it anyways. And then I'll have to take this out, the hinge. We're gonna get a new one. So yeah, let's start. Alright, so I got the hood off, I got the hinge off. Got the battery bracket off also, it was bent. So now I'm gonna try to pull this out. I'm gonna try to pull this out before taking it off. Hopefully that'll come out more straight. Hopefully I won't need to replace this, but at least that's the goal. Doesn't look too bad, so should be savable. Shouldn't be an issue. And then next thing would be, next thing is pull this out, see how much we can get it out. And then if it won't go anymore, then obviously I'm gonna start taking this off and then going from there. So my brother's about to pull up and we're gonna start pulling the front end of the Tacoma, the core support. He's got a Jeep with the winch, so hopefully that'll do it. If not, then worst case scenario, we're just gonna order a new core support and get it replaced. But hopefully that works out. I think it will, but if not, I guess there's gonna be more work to it. Got most of it done. But to finish it, we gotta take off the bumper. Take off probably this bracket, the bumper, to see what's more inside there. But for now, it's coming along. Seems to be, it might work. So let's get the bumper off.